everyone! Today we're going to learn a very useful English idiom, break the ice. You'll see how to use it naturally in conversations. Let's get started. So, what does break the ice mean? It doesn't mean smashing actual ice. It means to do or say something to make people feel more comfortable, especially when meeting for the first time. Example, imagine you go to a party and everyone is quiet. You tell a funny story to get everyone talking. You just broke the ice. Number 1. At a meeting, I told a joke to break the ice with my new colleagues. Number 2. On a first date, I asked her about her favorite movie to break the ice. Tip: you can also use it in messages. Hi, just wanted to break the ice and say hello. Now it's your turn. Can you break the ice in the comments? Write one sentence using this idiom and I'll check it for you. If you enjoyed this tip, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because next time we'll learn another cool English idiom you can use every day. Bye for now.